This is my second video of the Shopsmith Jigsaw, and going to be testing the air pump, the airflow through the air pump, and see if you guys think this is the normal amount of airflow that should go through this jigsaw. And I used a smaller vinyl hose, thinking that the inside diameter being the same as the nipples that it connects to would be a little better for airflow through it, instead of having a larger hose and the air being able to compress into a larger area before it gets to the table. So we'll see how it goes, and see if you guys think that this is normal for the Shopsmith Jigsaw. The amount of sawdust clearing ability. And here we go. I'm going to turn it on. Well, I don't know, it looks pretty good to me. This air pump didn't have the check balls and springs as was indicated on the forum, but it seems to do a pretty good job to me. So any thoughts on this, let me know. Thank you.